Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're opening a car. Now when I said in my previous unboxing video, when I opened the Jeep Grand Cherokee, I saw I do it every Thursday. And today is Thursday. So this thing goes back from 2019, I'm not even kidding. Yeah, this is when highways was cheap. Now they're like 15 dirhams or like $4. Anyways, let's open. Yes, I do this. I know I might sound like a psychopath, but I like keeping the cards. It's a bit hard. Careful. Here we go. Okay. Okay. The card now gets scratched. Here we go. It's Anna. This is from 2019, and let's see when it was first released. Let's see when it was first released. So this thing issued in 2015, so like the year I started collecting. Now this thing does not have any details on the front nor the back, but I love the livery with like the yellow and the purple. Pretty cool, bit of black. Plus the rims on this thing look clean and the car looks so clean. Like you can see the little splitter, the KW. It's a race brand. What's that KW brand? I'm gonna do some research on that. The spoiler is awesome. You can see the car. I like the design and the shape of the car looks so good. Yeah. I don't know if this thing became a super or a treasure hunt someday, but yeah. This is my honest opinion. It's such a nice looking car. And yeah, we're gonna do a bit of montage showing off review.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste.
So yeah, I hope you like this montage with the car. Now before I leave, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys for today, and we'll see you next time, everyone. Goodbye.